Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Pavoni professional machine. Now this machine was broken because it just needed to. It's been 30 years that it's been working on this, and nobody I think has done any sort of maintenance on this machine. It was really dirty. There was a lot of pieces that I really had to clean really good, and we pretty much replaced all the gaskets and stuff over here. Took a couple of pictures as well. Give me a second. But yeah, we replaced the gaskets from the side glass, from the steamer, from the cap itself, and as well from the group head, group sleeve, and the tank knob. We also descaled the machine, as you can see. It's kind of hard to see from the phone, but that's pretty much the condition of the machine. And we end up cleaning pretty much all that, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test the machine out. It's a little bit hard to do coffee with just one arm holding an iPad. But as you can see, really nice crema, really good shot of espresso. Now for the steamer. It's pretty hard, so it's kind of hard to see, but it's really hot over here. Working perfectly fine. There you go. Alright, thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.